In simple terms, the film is fed through a series of rollers on the machine, and the idea is to get a consistent stretch all the way across that. And if we stretch the film correctly, we can then apply the film at a consistent tension to the pallet, which is termed the secondary stretch often. If we don't stretch it consistently, the film is still alive. So for example, we're stretching the film a little bit like that. So you can see straight away that the film is what we call elastic, so it wants to stretch a bit more. And we can keep going and we can keep going until we get to a point where the film's going to lock out. And that's where we want to take it to, because that's when the film will not give any more. Now you might say, well hang on, can't I do that with tension? I'll put a lot of tension on it and not stretch it too much. But I can put this around my hand under a lot of tension, like so, but I can still elongate it and get my hand out, no problem at all. If I try to do that with this and try and elongate it, I can't. It's locked, the film is locked. And that's what we want to achieve with the pallet wrap, is we want to get the film so that it won't stretch anymore once it's on the pallet.